Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Xiaomi Redmi A1 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then proceed with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the tool and gently slide it around the phone to release the plastic clip securing the frame. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, take out the cover from the body. Next, remove the logic board cover by undoing 11 screws. Once all screws are removed, use a pry tool to lift the cover. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, apply heat to the broken camera lens glass to loosen the adhesive. And then gently push from the rear side to remove the lens ring. Clean the lens area properly to remove any broken glass pieces. Next, place the new lens ring with adhesive and ensure it's securely attached. Repeat the same steps for any other broken lens glass. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, secure the board frame by adding 11 screws. Finally, press the back cover firmly into the place and slide along the edges to lock the clip securely. And also, make sure to insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.